Conjuring is based on real-life incidents, and after the movies, we hear that the places where the incidents happened have become major tourist spots. But this list is filled with creepy places, and Bollywood is yet to make a movie on them, except for the first one. Bipasha Basu, please start taking notes. Simply Curious is counting down the most haunted places in India. Before we get on to the 5th position, we will talk about that place which narrowly missed its chance to feature in the top 5 list in the Just Missed by That Much segment. Markonahalli Dam. If you plan on going off-roading in Markonahalli Dam at Kunigal Taluk, a slight word of caution. Passing your bike through a certain ditch might cause it to stop altogether. Many bikers recount this episode and claim that they had to drag their vehicle all the way to Bangalore in order to get it working again. According to some, this ditch is the very spot where an old lady was buried. Creepy? Number 5. The abandoned village of Kuldhara, Rajasthan. This village was inhabited by the Paliwal Brahmins. According to the legend, the Prime Minister of the state fell in love with the daughter of the village head and wanted to marry her. He threatened the village with dire consequences if they did not adhere to his wish. The Paliwals held a council and the people of 85 villages left their ancestral homes and vanished. But before leaving, they put a curse on Kuldhara that no one will ever be able to settle in their village thereafter. To this date, the village remains barren, left almost the same as its inhabitants had left it centuries ago. It is also said that people who have tried to stay there at night have been chased away by strange paranormal phenomenon. Number 4. Ramoji Film City, Hyderabad. Ramoji Film City is a big film city in Hyderabad. The hotels in Ramoji Film City are haunted. They say that the film city is built on war grounds of the Nizam Sultans. Witnesses report that the lights kept on top keep falling off. The lightmen who sit with the lights on top have been pushed so many times, and many have had grievous injuries. The food left in rooms also gets scattered around the room, and strange marks are left on the mirror. Some kind of a script resembling Urdu, the language spoken by the sultans. Girls are the ghost's favorite to haunt. They trouble the girls so much. They tear their clothes, knock on the bathroom doors while the outside doors are locked. They create havoc. Many preventive measures have been taken to prevent such incidents, but of no use. They keep coming back after some time. Maybe to get a glimpse of the Andhra superstars. Number 3. The Alaya Ghost Lights. As if the dark and murky swamps of Bengal aren't scary enough, there is also a danger alert in line of paranormal activities. There have been whispers that along with the regular marsh beings, there are also mysterious Alaya ghost lights that lurk about, seducing travelers to their doom. They are said to zoom by and float above the land. Locals believe that these are the souls of dead fishermen. Recently, a scientific theory has surfaced suggesting these lights are gases formed by the decomposing organic matter in the swamps. Whatever it is, people, if you see light floating in the air, run. Have you seen bug zappers? Hope you understand what we are coming at. Run as fast as you can. Number 2. The Whispers of the Dead on Dumas Beach, Gujarat. Listed among the mysterious places of India, the Dumas Beach in Surat, Gujarat has a lot of spooky tales associated with it. People strolling on the beach hear whispers and find no one when they look around for the source. There have even been reports of disappearances on the beach. The beach was previously a burial ground for Hindus, and thus it is full of spirits of the dead. Maybe it's this theory that makes it one of the most mysterious and haunted places in India. Topping our list today is the Bangarh Fort. A 300-kilometer drive from Delhi, Bangarh Fort is one of the most haunted places in India. Many paranormal activities are said to occur here. It is alleged that people who stay at this place post-sunset are never to be found. When here, you will stumble upon a board of the Archaeological Survey of India stating that no one is allowed to stay in the fort before dawn and after dusk. There are different legends to this place. One alludes that there was a sage named Baba Balanath who resided in the fort area. It was a demand that the houses built on the fortress ground should not be taller than his house and cast a shadow on his house. If so, he would call upon the doom of the fort town. Another theory involves a wizard who was in love with a princess and was well versed in black magic. He tried giving her a potion to make her fall in love with him. The princess, however, saw through it and threw the bottle on a boulder that rolled down and crushed him. Before his death, he put a curse on the Bangarh, saying that nobody would ever be able to live here. Soon after, the fort was invaded by the Mughals and all the 10,000 people living there, including the princess, were sacked. What do you think of this list? Please let us know if we missed any place. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe to Simply Curious.